every cell in our body has a cell membrane. That membrane is made up of a bilayer of fat and cholesterol and proteins. So every cell membrane has structure to it, and it is like a wall, and it only allows certain things in and out. What if something that we're consuming can disrupt that cell membrane? The answer is yes, there is things that we consume that can disrupt that cell membrane and even lead to insulin resistance. So keep listening. Let's dive in. When we talk about fats, we have saturated fat, monounsaturated fat, and polyunsaturated fat. Those PUFAs, polyunsaturated fatty acids, are the omega-3s and omega-6s and omega-9s. We need them in our diet because they're essential. Now, what if we get too many, like too many omega-6? Can that be a problem? In short, yes, that can be a problem. We are getting too many omega-6s in the form of our processed food. Omega-6 are found in seed oils. Seed oils are omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids. Sunflower, safflower, soy, cottonseed, corn, canola, grapeseed, and rice bran. Check the things you're eating. They're going to have one of these seed oils in them. What happens when these PUFAs are high in our body is they go to the cell membrane and they displace the saturated fat in the cell membrane. Why is that important? Well, saturated fat has no double bonds and its structure is very tight. Polyunsaturated have many double bonds. There's a lot of bendy to that particular fat, and those double bonds can get oxidized. The term for it is peroxidation. Destruction, basically. We're oxidizing that fat, causing it to become rancid. So you can now say or understand why that cell membrane would rather have structure to it than not structure via these polyunsaturated fatty acids. Now, in addition, these polyunsaturated fatty acids also destroy or disrupt something called the lipid raft in the cell membrane. Oh boy, more terms. I know. The lipid raft is actually where insulin receptors sit. So if there's no lipid raft, then there's no insulin receptors. And if we have no insulin receptors, then the insulin can't knock on the door of the cell and allow the glucose to enter the cell. Thus, insulin resistance. You guys, we can talk more about this in a live stream, but just know that what we're eating is deciding whether or not our structure of our cell membrane is good or not.